614 CCD camera is designed for professionals. The body is made of high-quality durable material. It is designed for the convenience of CCD professionals, so connecting the cable is particularly easy without the need of a special tools other than screwdriver. There is a handle for adjusting the focus. As you see, it can be installed from the top or from the bottom. Opto-iris lens is also supported. This 614 camera body can integrate with a wide range of CCD sensors, including Sharp and Sony at your choice, so making your solution more flexible, securing the use of this ergonomic design, and unify your offering to reduce your support workload in the future.